opened the fridge.
My first reaction was ये कौन सा cured meat है?
मैं asked her कि ये
Yeah.
क्या है? She's like, oh shit, I left that there. वो
हाँ.
human heart है.
I just am like very sensitive to smells. So let's say if I would have moved in with any roommate, ना, as soon as I open the room and like बदबू आ रही है, मैं तो उसी समय भाग जाऊँ भाई.
And she opens her cupboard. It's literally like shelf after shelf of like memorabilia, including her menstrual cups and a lock of hair.
Hello guys, welcome to another podcast. I'm Arushi.
And I'm Sadhika. Today we're going to talk about a very interesting and relatable topic, especially like if you're outside, घर पे नहीं रह रहे हो, whether you're working, you're studying, whatever you're doing, roommates. Good ones, bad ones, toxic
Love
ones.
them, we hate them, we can't live without them if we are not rich enough.
Oh, you have to live with them.
Yeah.
So grab your chai or coffee ka cup and let's get into today's gup.
Arushi, tell me, how many roommates have you lived with? How has it been with roommates? Because
Oh man. So one of my first ever experiences with a roommate was in my hostel in Hisar, and it lasted 3 days, and I ran from the hostel.
3 days.
3 days. I was like, I can't. That day I swore off hostels.
Yeah.
I'm like, मैं नहीं रह सकती. Let me be the stereotype Papa ki pari. I don't care. Do whatever. I live in Paristan. I'm not living with this person because that woman was a monster. I'm not even exaggerating.
Okay.
What kind of ticked me off, and I was also young. I not experienced enough roommates, I guess. I'm also an only child, so I don't. Maybe my threshold for ick is much
No.
lower. It's
Yeah,
not that
yeah,
high.
yeah.
So she used to make Maggie in her little ceramic cup. Okay, so उस दिन उसका cup टूट गया था, I'm
हाँ.
guessing, or something. That was literally day one of us
हाँ.
moving into
हाँ.
hostel. उसका cup टूट गया, so she borrowed my cup. And she made Maggie and she ate it. एक तो पहली मेरे Maggie नहीं पसंद, sorry, sue me. Fine.
Sorry, one thing, you don't even like Maggie when you do things to it, like you chop up like onion, cabbage
No,
and
I don't
stuff.
like Maggie.
And
I
not even
just
the
don't
soy
like
sauce.
Maggie.
The
don't.
genesis of the noodle is
I
against
don't
you.
like. No, I'm okay with noodles generally.
नहीं,
I
नहीं,
don't like
Maggie का noodle.
हाँ,
हाँ.
Maggie पसंद ही नहीं मेरे को.
हाँ, ठीक है.
इतना मैगी सुन लिया ना अपने बालों के लिए. So I'm like,
Oh yeah, ऐसे
yeah, I don't do cannibalism.
Yeah.
I am Maggie. I don't eat Maggie. So yeah, she made Maggie in my nice ceramic cup.
हाँ.
And she ate it and I'm like, ठीक है मेरे को धो के दे देना जो भी है, रिंस तो कर दे कम से कम.
Basic courtesy.
Yeah. Next day I see there is a थोड़ा सा वो पपड़ी जमी हुई, ठीक है उसमें
हाँ.
मैगी की. फिर मैंने उससे फिर बोला बहन धो दे.
हाँ.
She was like हाँ ठीक है, whatever. Then again, like I think on the next day or maybe the evening, I don't even remember, there is like more papdi. Okay, it's like getting like, you know, progressively
Yeah, it's crusty,
worse.
dusty
Yeah.
and busty.
Yeah. And then on day 3, I see her making Maggie again in the same cup without washing it with soap, with the crusts on it. And I was like, bro, I
Extra
can...
seasoning.
Yeah, basically. I was like, I don't know, this has become Maggie sourdough by now. I'm like, I cannot live with this. Imagine, I was like, I will get food poisoning.
हाँ.
Somehow, if I share her food ever.
हाँ.
I called my mother. I'm like, I know, please don't, like, I'm a namby-pamby baby of yours. Please don't, like, take me back. I'm sorry if I was ever rude to you. And I ran off from them. I'm like, listen, this is, and it's a small thing, but it's a red
हाँ.
AF red flag.
No, fair enough,
Yeah.
man. Like, now this is the point where I feel like, you know, because I'm also like a privileged single child.
Yeah.
तो मैं भी कभी किसी
I
roommate
also
से-
miss that mug.
Oh.
It's hers now.
So I'm just really glad, pata hai, because the colleges that I wanted to go to and in general I've always lived in Delhi NCR, so I've always been like ठीक है 2 घंटे ऊपर नीचे मैं drive कर लूंगी, but I've never actually had a roommate.
Yeah.
And so something very scandalous and funny, when Neeraj and I started dating, right? So I used to sometimes sneak in my house, and COVID ke time pe we had started dating, so like it was not allowed to meet. So for the first 3-4 months, he thought I was lying that I'll stay with my mom.
Oh,
He was
that's
like,
nice. But your roommate is your mom.
technically,
In
yes,
a way,
obviously.
yeah.
Fair enough. But I used to sneak him in and sneak him out, and he was like, I never hear her mother get up. I never hear her go to sleep. I never hear her calling her. What is this? I mean, even though it was a VR, but he was like, he legit thought I was lying for the first 4 months. And then at one point, what happened was, he had to enter, and my mom was somehow awake at that time. And my dog started barking at the door. My mother thought, कि कौन आया है? What the fuck is happening?
Oh shit.
So she opens the door and he was like, "कौन है? कौन है?" And Neeraj, like, एक तो he's really bad at like
was
sometimes.
he clothed?
Yeah.
Okay, thank God.
Hey
Okay.
Bhagwan.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey
Just saying.
Bhagwan. Oh my God.
Sometimes we will come to give surprises, guys. Come on.
Yeah, मतलब not walking from
Not
the
a
road.
personal story, but okay. हाँ.
Anyway, so then she was like, कौन है? And then you're like, आंटी मैं सिद्धिका को USB drive देना आया हूँ. And I'm like, तुझे यही मिला था बोलने के लिए, out of all the things you could have been like, happy birthday किसी दोस्त का, any other reason. You're like, USB drive देना आया हूँ आंटी. क्यों?
Oh
कौन?
my
क्या?
Did we even use pen drives at this point? I think एक बार मतलब
नहीं.
they already phasing out.
No, COVID का time था ना, so at that time where he used to work, they would require actually pen drives to be transferred here and there for like the
Okay.
content
Yeah,
and stuff.
then okay, fine.
Yeah, so
Narratively flawed नहीं है.
हाँ, हम लोग साथ में काम नहीं करते हैं.
Oh, so what? It's okay. दूसरे काम करते हो. So like this really close friend of mine, okay, she has a crazy horror story of a roommate. She's also very catrovert.
Catrovert.
Yeah.
Catrovert is a new word.
Yeah,
Catrovert,
yeah.
guys. Urban Dictionary. it.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll be social only with the people they love. Otherwise not
Yeah.
anyone. Me's people. A roommate should be someone whom you know just about enough. You shouldn't be staying with a very close friend or someone you just met online.
Oh yeah.
So it should be just someone who you know लगभग 50% type.
हाँ, and this also
Yeah.
works for going on trips.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't. Yeah,
50%.
Yeah.
Otherwise दोस्तियाँ टूट जाती हैं या तो मतलब you will end up with a serial killer. Either like there's no in between.
Or you'll
So-
have great stories for your friends.
Yeah, that's yeah. So this person, she started like staying with this, and everything was going fine till one day, her toothbrush goes missing. Okay, and toothbrush गया है, they're like हाँ ठीक है toothbrush ही तो है कहीं घुस गया होगा. Buys another toothbrush. Okay. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज हर जो मैक में फाउंडेशन होता है ना तो उसका पंप होता है वो
हाँ,
अलग होता है राइट यू गेट इट
You get
सेपरेटली
yeah.
so she had opened it and left it so that she can replace the foundation ka
Foundation,
dabba
yeah.
whatever that goes missing which is still okay it'll be like huh, my mistake I'm stupid I'm careless blah.
Yeah.
One day she was on her period and her menstrual cup is missing.
I want to gag.
Yeah. And again, she's like, self gaslighting ki theek hai, I'm stupid. I am messy. I am absent minded. And one day she is basically,
I do want to vomit now. Oh my
Yeah.
god, हाँ, continue.
and this flat gets a blessing in disguise, which is an infestation of rats. And they call their exterminator. And the roommate wasn't there at that time, or she was in college or whatever. So she just she was opening cupboards so that the exterminator comes and puts the wire and all. And she opens her cupboard, and it's literally like shelf after shelf of like memorabilia of hers, including her menstrual cup and a lock of hair.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah. She's like, menstrual cup was not even the worst thing.
उसका नाम क्या जो है यू से
पता नहीं. So she was like, she's like, I have never felt so horrified in my life. Like, she's like, imagine my cup was not the worst thing.
I want to vomit.
Yeah. So yeah, long story short, she left and she's like, literally, बाढ़ में जाए security deposit. So
हे भगवान.
तेरे को ही घर मुबारक. She's like, now I know why your old flatmate left. And yeah, basically,
You know, this is a point where I'm mentally disturbed. I don't have a reaction.
today it's me. I did this. Yes, finally redemption.
It's like, there's points where you're like, should you help the person? Should you do something? Should you
Yeah.
burn the person down at this point?
Yeah, I
Because
don't know. And genuinely, of course, this is like, I'm sure she is mentally not okay, this is a legit disease called kleptomania, but does not make it less
This is not even
disturbing.
it's also hoarding. It's also
Yeah, of
hoarding. It's
course.
hoarding level 2 at this point. If she's
Yeah.
got like a huge
Yeah, a lock of hair. I mean,
Lock
to
of
be fair, the menstrual cup gets sterilized and all, but the hair, dude, the hair. Oh, that.
because she's in love with her, she's preserving her DNA.
Oh,
When
okay.
the world ends, she's going to have a babies.
Probably.
Or you know,
I
just-
mean, yeah, if I mean,
Yeah.
yeah, sweet
This is
girl, yeah.
true love.
Sweet, oh.
love, dosti, yari, and roommates.
So yeah, that did not end well.
Like the roommate story that I've heard from
Hmm.
my friends, it's not dangerous like that when people are like in love or whatever the fuck this was, but but it's like usual, like you know, random ass Kalesh. So
Huh.
this one friend of mine, so she was dating this guy, they were roommates, and the society where they were living in, वहाँ पर the you know the बच्चा parties know कि हाँ ठीक है दीदी भैया साथ में रहते हैं, this and that. So this one time, my friend went to work. She came back and her guy was working from home. And this kid comes and he's like कि एक बात बताओ आपकी नए दोस्त बने हैं क्या? And like एक दीदी हमेशा आती है. So yeah. And then after that she was like fuck this guy. Then she went. She threw all his stuff out. And the worst part that happened, I mean, she just found out she was being cheated on. The guy was using the place where she was the one who was leasing the whole thing. He was
Yeah.
just living there for free. So now when she was throwing his stuff, she accidentally also fell.
Arey yaar.
And she tripled down the stairs and then she hurt her cheek. She had to go and get stitches. And this guy didn't even come to see her. Her friend came and she was like, I told you this guy was a little bitch. You should have never asked him to move in. I was a better candidate.
She could have just blamed that on the guy or something.
No, she
I
didn't
don't
blame it on the guy.
know.
She was
Yeah,
like crying and
because
throwing his stuff.
technically तो
ना.
हुआ तो technically तो
Yeah.
उसी ने
उसी ने किया
But-
था.
first time एक snitchy kid काम आया मतलब
हाँ, the बच्चा
good
party
on the
was
snitchy kid. First time ever.
This is one story of a friend of mine.
Hmm.
The girl was not nice. So I have this story in which the girl was very Kaleshi.
Hmm.
I don't want to give real names, so let's call them Pehli and Dusri.
Okay.
So Pehli and Dusri were roommates. ठीक है?
Hmm.
They were new friends. काफी उनके झगड़े होते थे because this Dusri was someone who'd always talk to a तीसरी चौथी पांचवी. Okay, उसको मुंह बंद नहीं होता था.
Oh.
So हाँ,
Like in a gossipy way or generally? Or?
in both manners.
Okay.
She would overshare and she would gossip and she
Huh.
just liked to make menace. Or she
okay.
wanted drama. She was the drama, but she wanted more drama.
Oh, love it. Okay.
So now Pehli was in a very toxic relationship with this guy, and it got so bad, and they were fighting that Pehli had to literally break up by running away to another place. Okay, and now Dusri, okay, was a part of Pehli's friend group because काफी और लड़कियां थी this and that college times and vibes,
Uh-huh.
right? So now दूसरी found out पहली कहाँ रह रही है and she had a good idea कि पहली का बंदा is like a little cray like psychotic killer vibes, okay?
Uh-huh.
And he was not letting her break up. He was doing a lot of crazy shit. He came to meet दूसरी in the flat that she was still staying. पहली had shifted. This girl told कि अरे you want to meet पहली तू इधर जा. I'll give you the address. I went over there yesterday. And I mean, she literally jeopardized the entire thing. Dusri and Pehli had a massive fight after that. Ki, how dare you? Because Pehli opened the door and she was not expecting him to come. And he was like, you know what? Pick up my call, pick up my call, pick up my call. And then he started banging on the door and see the. Yeah, man. It was.
That is just that's not cool, man. That's like violating so many codes.
Yeah.
Right?
This is
the friend code, sis code, roommate code, everything. Bhai, this is not cool. This is just straight up bad person. Not even bad roommate. Yeah.
दूसरी should
No man, not cool. क्या मैनर्स नहीं सिखाते क्या माँ बाप आपको? ये क्या बात है? मतलब like basically, I think given the option, the only reason why people live with roommates, apart from maybe the occasional few who don't want to stay alone, are scared or whatever, is because they don't have enough money to live, in a flat on their own. That's literally the only compulsion.
That
Something.
reminds me of this one guy. He
Huh.
actually had night scares. He would have like really bad out of body, feelings
Hmm.
and like bad dreams basically. So he needed someone to sleep with him to kind of like shake him up if
Oh,
he's
dear.
having that sort of
That should
out-of-body
be
experience.
treated. that should
agree,
be
but
treated by a medical professional.
नहीं, because मेरा
Yeah.
ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ था, हम सब घूम रहे थे and at that point I found out that one of these many people that we were with had this very unique problem which again should be treated and is very scary to learn about.
Yeah.
But then that person was like that it's not a regular thing, it just happens sometimes. So when it happens, I need someone at least in my vicinity to hear me.
Why do I feel like there is an upcoming actor over here? Many talent. So yeah, if it's a genuine issue, then probably should be checked for a pathological condition. But otherwise, I feel like it's a cop out. I
Yeah,
feel
yeah,
like
yeah.
you just be needy,
Yeah.
want some pooky love.
Pookie.
Yeah. There are codes. There are like ways to matlab a certain unspoken rules,
Yeah.
on how to live with your flatmate or
Flatmates, huh?
roommate, right? On good. So I feel like after my vast experience or lack thereof of living with someone, I feel like there are three basic things that you need to do. Like one is obviously compromise, like in as marriage also,
Yeah.
of course. So it's basically like thoda bahut ek do cheez just accept about people. Yeah,
Yeah.
everybody can't be the same. It's okay. There are different people in the world. They have different quirks.
Yeah.
Right. Some people are going through a lot of shit. Some people come from, very, very toxic backgrounds, especially people who leave like their small towns and, come to big cities. They don't just come there for, whatever, making careers or whatever. They're also running from a
Yeah, a
very
lot
toxic
of-
family and baggage. So, sometimes I don't even blame them if they're problematic because I'm like, yeah, man, you don't know better. It's okay. So you kind of understand that. It's okay. Some people can't help it. Secondly, I feel communication. Very important.
In this case, lack thereof was better.
Yeah, but in this case, yeah. But also something like, okay, I feel like resentment is something that fucks you over
Yeah.
later on, like, and it piles up. Okay, there's always like a Jenga tower that gets made of resentment.
Yeah.
And the more you pile it up, the worse the outburst will be.
Yeah, that works for even relationships.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like any form of, whether even if you're like, you need to communicate. Otherwise, the piling up happens, and then when you're wanting to fight now,
Yeah.
you'll have like A, B, C, D, E, F, G issues. You're going to be fighting on H, but your anger is not equivalent to the anger that you should have for H.
Exactly. It's
Yeah.
always about something that
Yeah.
like 5 things together will come out about one very small minuscule thing.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like if I had continued with my first ever roommate, the Maggie Wali, like these small things, and thankfully, like back then, maybe I had the wisdom to like literally run off, wisdom
Yeah.
or privilege more than anything. But was that I didn't want to make this, like, this would have become a fight eventually, and that time I didn't have the courage or the maturity to speak up and say ki ye sahi nahi hai. I was like too in my shell,
Yeah,
too
yeah,
protected, right? And I was like, but now that I have learnt and grown up, I would have said ki dekh bhain, this is not okay, this is literally unhygienic, like this
I'm-
is like small things, just voice it, basically.
Absolutely. And on another note, when it comes to voicing and hygiene, I am one person that I just am like very sensitive to smells. So let's say if I would have moved in with any roommate na, and I would be like, I can smell things. Or
Oh
especially if
dear.
I can smell the person, like as soon as I open the room and like बदबू आ रही है, मैं तो उसी समय भाग जाऊँ
Oh,
भाई.
yeah. I didn't even stay that long because I knew I could see my future.
Yeah.
Literally, because I'm like,
You could smell your future.
Yeah, exactly. Because I'm like, first 2-3 days तो लोग ऐसे तमीज से रहते हैं ना, सोचो अगर अभी से ऐसी है तो बाद में तो भाई.
Yeah.
Then I used to hear stories of her from college also, like the
Yeah.
person, like the people used to say कि नहीं मेरा room बदलो. So yeah.
I mean,
Imagine.
in all defense, she couldn't be as bad as the kleptomaniac.
I mean,
No one can beat that.
yeah, that.
So, but I think it really depends. You want Jhoti Maggie ka cup or you want your cup to be stolen?
No, that cup I want to be stolen, smashed, cracked, burnt, whatever
Yeah.
whatever
Ashes
can be done
also
to
just
damage
disposed
that.
of.
Yeah, seriously. But I feel, speaking of these roommate horror stories, one of the most important things apart from communication and compromise is space. My bestest ever roommate, like ever, I will hands down, even if she's a serial killer, I will go to court to defend her. was yeah, my bestest roommate was
Guys, if
yeah.
you need a new friend, Arushi's up for grabs.
No, yeah, no, only if you do the things that she did. So this was my roommate during my postgrad days. And मतलब roommate flatmate कह लो जैसे. And we used to live in two different corners of the house. Okay, and by that time I had the good privilege and good grades to convince my parents कि please मुझे flat में ठहरा दो near college.
Yeah.
So I stayed in one room. This side there was drawing room, whatever, dining room, kitchen, and then the other side of the house had another room where she lived. And we would bump into each other once in 2 months.
Very nice.
We barely knew each other's face. She was a doctor, so she would have her ER timings and all.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
our timings were barely compatible
Yeah.
anyway. So she would be sleeping when I was out. I would be sleeping when she was out. And the best thing is that whenever I had an asthma attack and all, she would come and help me. Yeah. She would come and help me.
Nice.
No communication, none, zero. Like,
Yeah.
okay, this medicine nebulizer, ठीक है, हाँ, cool. Okay, जिंदा है, मैं जा रही हूँ.
बढ़िया.
That's all. Okay, and then I can remember once she borrowed my car. Okay, she came at like 2 a.m. or whatever time I was fast asleep. Okay, she's like, emergency, car not working. That's what I could comprehend
Yeah.
from what she was saying. And I was like, हाँ, take car. So, keys there.
Yeah,
So
you're a
she
full
took it,
need
yeah,
man.
and
Like,
I'm
if you
like,
can
just-
reach there,
yeah,
just
I'm
go
like,
take
go
it.
take zinda rakho. And then in the morning I see a post-it note, thank you. He was a man saved thanks to your car.
Oh.
And that's how we communicated. We barely texted. It was the best ever. Like, I loved her. We only saw each other once a month when हम plate रखने जाते थे kitchen में.
Yeah, that too by accident.
Yeah,
timing
that's
मिल
to
गया.
buy like, oh my god, sorry, I bumped into you. It was like that.
It's like, if suppose you
Yeah.
had to imagine दो बनियां साथ में रहें, तो कैसा
हाँ,
लगेगा?
exactly. It was like that. We had the best symbiotic relationship, like two ultra introverts
Yeah.
living together. It was the best. But
There is a
so
but.
yeah. So one day I opened my fridge, our common fridge. And
Don't
I
tell me
saw-
separate fridges.
No, that
Yeah,
would just be
conva-
too much. Eventually, we did. So
Batao.
because she understood violation of space really well. If there was one
हाँ.
person who understood that, it was her.
Okay.
So I opened the fridge, and I see some very strange kind of achar jar, I guess. So, and I saw it, and I'm like, ये तो मतलब my first reaction was ये कौन सा cured meat है? I should like maybe I could try it types. And then I'm like looking around, what is it? It didn't look weird at that point of time, honestly. It looked like
It looked like kimchi. It was ready to be
Yeah,
fermented to eat.
but one glob of kimchi, okay? It's more like that. मतलब एक दो दिन था वो फ्रिज में. Then I bumped into her like probably on the second or third day, and I asked her कि XYZ ये क्या
Yeah.
है? And she's like, oh shit, I left that there. Oh no. And I was like, what happened?
ये
She's
किसको
like,
मार के खा रही है?
then I was like, she's like, oh, I was studying mitral valves in hearts. वो
हाँ.
human heart है.
दिल दे के देखो,
So-
दिल दे के देखो,
so
दिल
yeah,
दे
I
के
was-
देखो जी.
It's like, oh, and I'm like, so nobody is perfect. I was just like, oh my god, you were so close to being the perfect ever flatmate. And then, and I just made a very like horrified face, and she's like, I know, it's okay. I'll remove it. 2 days later, she just called me saying, "Mera order receive kar lena." I received the order. It was a mini fridge for her own room, for her own researches, and I'm like, ये है मस्त इंसान.
आँख में आंसू आ
I
गए.
was like, man, yeah, मतलब, I was like, this person, मतलब, she was mature, she was everything. Like, this was, one person who had given so much space, adequate
Yeah.
space. मैं तो, if I was not married, I would still be like, please live with me
Nice.
forever.
हाँ,
Yeah.
I understand that.
So yeah, that was my best ever roommate, who was a little bit psychotic, but I loved her.
Gardening, it's good, man. I feel like you never hear like good roommate stories like that. Although, if you would be giving someone's alibi का promise and सब शक्ल तो याद रखनी चाहिए. देखो कि हाँ कि बंदा
मैं
दिखता
उसकी
कैसे है,
शक्ल
वो
भूल
थोड़ा
चुकी हूँ.
जरूरी है.
I don't know what she looked like, sadly. I saw her probably, I lived with her for 2 years, and I think I've seen her गिन के 10 बार. I'm not exaggerating.
You're like one of those people when people are like, can you please draw the culprit? You'll be like, so height शायद से इतनी
I
थी.
think justice cannot be served in this situation. Sorry.
Oh God,
Yeah.
talking about justice,
Hmm.
there was this one person that came who was like my physiotherapist, and this girl, she was so interesting. So like you pointed out space, I feel like in general, in every matter, थोड़ा सा मतलब तुम्हें दिमाग लगाना चाहिए when it comes to how much proximity you want to show. So this girl's roommate
Mm-hmm.
was a con artist, and again this girl knew that she would talk to guys on Facebook, and she would kind of like sugar daddy. She would like, let's mooch off money, that okay fine, I'll meet you, but I need to come here, I need to do this, please give me 5k, give me 10k, something like that, and she would like get money, and she knew that her roommate was not working, and her only source of income was just going through Facebook DMs, messaging people and getting money out of them. She knew this.
Okay then.
Yeah, so
I
respect
the hustle.
yeah, this is before OnlyFans.
Yeah.
So
Hmm.
now this roommate of hers was like कि यार listen, I have to go to my hometown, थोड़ा ये scene हो गया मेरा, and stuff, just take care of my room and stuff, it's very important, blah blah. So she went back to her hometown. Now this girl gets a call from her father allegedly, and you're like कि यार let's call her Pachvi, okay?
Hmm.
So Pachvi तो पांचवी के पैर में दर्द हो रहा है, कुछ भी हो रहा है, दिस एंड दैट, एंड आई एक्चुअली नीड टू ट्रांसफर द मनी टू हर, बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू, हर अकाउंट इज ब्लॉक्ड और व्हाटएवर द फक हैज हैपेंड, सो आई एम सेंडिंग मनी टू यू. Okay, so can you please accept the payment from me and then transfer it to her? And thank you. Alarm bells is a good thing. अगर तुम्हारे alarm bells नहीं बजे तो तुम किसी दिन बहुत बड़े जैम में बजोगे. So now this girl was like, okay fine, करने दो, ठीक है. तो ये बोला कि पेटीएम में आपको पैसे आएंगे, बट क्योंकि मैं आर्मी का हूँ, हमारा ये थोड़ा अंदर का सीन अलग होता है, like the way we guys transfer payments and our banking and stuff is different, and जो भी है. So I am going to be sending you the payment and you are going to be getting some code, and then you give me the code and then the money will get transferred. She was like, ठीक है, okay fine, आप पैसे दे दो. And then the
Coach bhai. Literally, Coach bhai.
no, this is the point where you need to have some mental space to understand this was stupid. The moment it was said, it was stupid. This girl was like, हाँ ठीक है, उसने OTP दिया, and उस बंदे ने 3 बार दिया कि मैं ना ऐसा 75,000 दे रहा हूँ, 25 करके दे रहा हूँ. And when she was telling me the story, by the way, मुझे उसी समय लग रहा था ऐसा कट रहा है. So she gave 3 OTPs, and then after that, when she finally realized na that when the third OTP happened and then an error came because she didn't have those many funds in her account, like ये तो कट गया.
Oh dear.
And then she was like, what is happening,
Oh,
bro? Yeah.
no.
Yeah. So now she calls up her roommate. By the way, she's been living with her for a year. Alright. They had space. So, but too much space also, less space. I don't know what sort of space. She trusted a con scam. And again, she was privy to this fact कि वो लड़की यही करती है. And she fell in one of her roommate's scams, which was, I mean, when she was telling it to me, I was like कि भाई अब मैं क्या ही बोलूं, because even the people से तुमने OTP दे दे, तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता, ठीक
Oh
है?
dear, हाँ. मतलब लिटरली इसके बारे में कितना वो बेचारा आयुष्मान खुराना, श्रद्धा कपूर कितना आते हैं गूगल पे, बोलते हैं भाई मत करो ये.
Yeah.
don't
give,
believe
yeah.
it. Don't.
Yeah, so
dear,
anyway,
huh.
so then she lost that. She tried a lot. Now, again, the roommate ran away. And before
But
that,
once it's gone, it's gone. You can't help it. Like max, if you're very lucky, you can get the person caught or something, but the money will never come back. Yeah, it's
very
always, yeah.
doubtful. No one gives a shit about
Mhm.
catching the person. She knew that this girl would kind of steal stuff from other roommates. All right. So basically, it was like a hostel type of a situation. So these two would share a room. And then like in different rooms, there were lots of other girls in every single room, right? And इसने किसी का, I think Blue Stone का order आया था, or some jewelry band's order had come, and it was like real jewelry, and she had kept it, saying कि order नहीं आया. I never signed it, nothing happened. So she again knew this, and then even she fell for that. So yeah, and again the roommate on paper was very nice to her, like gave her space, took her stuff, was very loyal and sweet to her for the whole year, and then she ran away with 50 grand.
That's how they get you.
That's how they get you, guys.
Oh man. Oh man. The army scam is very common. I've
हाँ.
also got it, and I'm like, bro, I'm army kid.
Yeah,
और वो काट देते हैं, हाँ. No, the best thing to do is give a wrong OTP. And then you see that person crumble. Okay, always like last digit galat de do.
हाँ.
ऐसे मतलब
नहीं,
if you
I
have the
prefer-
time, नहीं तो you straight away cut the
I
call.
I
But-
cut.
Yeah, I cut, but sometimes if I'm like pooping or I'm really vela, then I'm
हाँ.
like, अच्छा wait, हाँ, 4 5 6 2 9 1. Okay.
So I had done this one thing,
Huh.
like the moment this happened with this girl that I knew na, this papa ki call ka scam वगैरह, so I had gotten within the same 2-3 weeks a similar call, and उसके अंदर what happened was this guy was like, your father needs money from you, beta jaldi do, please give, you know, this and that, he really urgently needs it from you. And I was like, yaar, I know my dad, okay,
हाँ.
there can't be any situation where he'll come to me first for such a thing, because he'll not want कि पता चले क्या हो रहा है and
Yeah,
stuff.
oh my
Like he's
God.
literally going to be like, okay, fuck the money, but बच्चे को पता चलेगा, मुझे आंसर करना पड़ेगा, नहीं बताना,
Oh
ठीक
my
है?
God, yeah. इज्जत.
Yes. So he would not let me know ever. Okay. So I knew that call was right. I'm like, अच्छा ठीक है अंकल, मेरे पापा का नाम तो बताओ.
Nice. Yeah.
And he was like, he got offended. He was like, dude, your father's in trouble. He started screaming on the phone. How dare you behave like this? You're a bad daughter, this and that. I'm like, why, you're a bad friend. You don't know his name, uncle. What are you doing? I can't believe my father has such shallow friends.
Love it. Uno reverse. I love it.
Oh,
Love it.
Yeah.
Huh. But like honestly, like again, I don't want to judge people who get scammed, even though like, you know, ठीक है, इतना awareness तो होना चाहिए, but people have really upped their game when it comes to
To scam,
conning and
yeah.
scamming people.
Yeah.
Like, yeah,
I think
coming
this is
back
like,
to topic.
topic. Even if you have roommates, you should not trust them, because you could also get scammed from them.
Yeah.
Lesson number 4.
Either they'll be serial killers or scammers or really disgusting, filthy human beings.
Yeah.
Or
could
they'll
also
be the
cheat
best
on-
people ever. 1 in a billion trillion person who will
Huh.
give you so much space.
Yeah,
that
like
you won't know what to
100%
do with it.
perfection, yeah.
Yeah. Not 100% perfect also, but yeah, I had a very disturbing moment, but that was one.
1 in 2
And
years
I
is
was
no
like,
percentage.
Yeah, it's okay. I mean, at least personally, I feel it's a good and a bad situation and a good learning experience also in a way, because especially like giving my own example, being an only child, being someone who's been given a lot of space and your own room living situation and everything. For me, it was a very humbling experience to have, like, you know, complete psychos to live with. And also it teaches you a lot about, you know, human behavior,
Yeah.
because it starts as like, wow, La La Land, and then becomes Big Boss. Eventually, वो trajectory चली जाती है उस पे. So, you know, just navigating, you know, through
Yeah.
people.
And
is-
compromising karna
yeah,
seekhna, that is,
exactly.
yeah.
Also, I feel like me and Krishanu have learned to coexist thanks to our bad examples of roommates. Like, we know ki haan, this is not something
Not
that,
happening.
you know, I would like in a person. So I should not do it myself.
Fair
Right?
enough.
You learn those things. But Sidaka,
Yes.
what did you learn today from tertiary experiences?
I learned I'm very privileged that I haven't had to have these experiences. Also, मैं अपना कमरा अपने हिसाब से गंदा और साफ रखती हूँ, which is lovely.
The learning I had was I want to be rich enough to live alone. I don't want to be under compulsion.
Married, Arushi.
Yeah, no, when I was not. When I was not.
So that was a very, very interesting, intriguing, enlightening conversation about roommate chatter, where I had learned a lot about roommate and chatter and chatterings.
We don't live with one if you can, and if you have to, then go back to our podcast and check out all the ways you can make it work.
And anyway, guys, we will see you next week with or without a roommate.
So yeah, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it. Please share it with your friends, with roommates, living situations, spouses, husbands, wives, whatever. And please
Next.
subscribe to
Girl Gappa.